Don't use also. Use moreover. Don't use anyway. Use nevertheless. Don't use I think. Use in my opinion. Don't use so. Use therefore. Don't use and. Use in addition. Don't use but. Use however. Pigeon. Parrot. Sparrow. Crow. Owl. Eagle. Swan. Peacock. Stupid. Daft.
Oh, don't be daft.
Don't be daft.
Disappointed. Gutted.
God, I'm mortified. I'm gutted.
And I'm gutted and I'm heartbroken.
Pleased. Chuffed.
She's feeling chuffed. She's feeling full of herself, aren't you?
Shut up. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm chuffed to my boots, but,
Crazy. Bonkers.
This is bonkers.
Bonkers. Bonkers.
Armchair. Sofa. Stool. Desk chair. Folding chair. Executive chair. Rocking chair. Deck chair. Wheelchair. A group of fish is called a school of fish. A group of kittens is called a litter of kittens. A group of sheep is called a flock of sheep. A group of flies is called a swarm of flies. A group of lions is called a pride of lions. A group of gorillas is called a band of gorillas. A group of wolves is called a pack of wolves. A group of tigers is called a streak of tigers. Soft-boiled. Hard-boiled. Over-boiled. Sunny side up. Over easy. Over hard. Scrambled. Omelette. This is an extension cord. This is a plug. This is a socket. This is a switch. This is a torch. This is a bulb. This is a battery.